Hey guys, welcome back to Beyond Gardening Homestead. If this is your first time here, my name is Kim. I'm a gardener and DIYer growing in my Texas backyard in Zone 8B. I am out here today because I am trying to harvest a few things. We've been getting rain all day, but I do have a few things like some cucumbers and probably some cherry tomatoes and some peppers that need to be harvested. So I thought I'd run out. It's still sprinkling just a little, so I'm going to try to do a quick harvest and I'm going to take you all along with it. It's a lemon cucumber. I'd never seen one before. I didn't know they existed until I started growing. They're beautiful. Oh man, I've got quite a few of them up in here. It's a good thing I have on long sleeves. green beans. I'm not really liking this variety of green beans that I have over here. It's not very prolific. I'm not getting anything, and when I do, I get a couple of beans, and this is what they look like. So I'm hoping that I'll have more success with my other green beans that I planted. These are I think this right here is called the tiger tongue or something like that. So if it'll focus. But nevertheless, so there's still a lot of flowers up here, so I'm hoping that maybe that they're just not ready, that okay, here's another, that they're just not ready yet, that maybe I'm just being a little premature, but there's a good one. So I'll come back to these another day. There's some more cucumbers over here that I need to harvest. This is a white, and I see one down here that's I should have taken a long time ago. Look at that. Should have harvested these a couple of days ago. But I will use them for something. Cucumber water. Let me get up in here and show you all this. So many cucumbers, and the sad part about it is that don't have enough people to give them to. It's amazing how hard it is to give away fresh produce. But it looks like if I start selling it, I'll get rid of it. The way that prices are today, that I would have an easier time just calling people and say, hey, I've got fresh produce. I do have people who take it, but I just don't have enough. I think I'm going to post it in our local neighborhood app, on our local neighborhood app, and just put a cooler out front and let people know that, hey, I have fresh produce to give away, because I really don't want to sell it. I'd like to just give away the produce. I'm not about selling it. And I'm pretty sure there are plenty of people out there who will come and pick it up. I just really hadn't tried very hard. I just communicate with a few people, and I do get some people that I take it to. But the problem is that I'm producing too much. My squash, said the squash bugs decimated my plant, but for some reason this thing just keeps growing and producing. It won't stop. Hi guys, my camera cut off on me, so I went ahead and finished the harvest. I am going to show you all what I got. Here is my harvest for today. It's not bad. Got a bunch of cucumbers. I have several varieties. I'm not sure what they are. I do, and excuse my ashy hands. Just finished washing them. I've got squash that continues to produce from my squash plant that's completely dead. I don't know why it keeps producing squash. More cucumbers. As you can see, I have a variety. I have the white cucumbers. I had never seen a white cucumber before. And then these lemon cucumbers are the ones that just fascinate me. They're really good. They actually have a little lemony taste. I've got bell peppers. I have a couple of different varieties, but bell peppers are bell peppers. This is the largest one. Look at that. I try to let them stay on until they turn red. This one I let it stay on just a little too long because you can see the sun kind of got to it a little bit, but that's okay. And of course I've got the black strawberry tomatoes. Some more tomatoes. Oh, I do have some okra down here, which I wish I had taken off just a little sooner, but it's still pretty tender. It's not hard at all. I try to take them off when they're about this size. I learned that from someone I know. Last year I grew okra, and I thought the longer they got, the better. Someone told me not to do that. I won't mention any names. But anyway, serrano. As you can see, I let my peppers turn red because I make hot sauce, and most of the sauce that I make is red sauce. I took off one little eggplant. I have more eggplant, but it's not ready. So pretty much that's what I've got. I have some of the golden cayenne peppers as well. And once again, I harvested these before. Once again, I'll use these for pineapple hot sauce, or if I make a mango pineapple hot sauce. These golden cayenne peppers are extremely hot. They're hotter than the red ones. So, but that's the harvest for today. One thing I wanted to mention is my garden basket by Fiska. My lovely sister sent this to me as a birthday gift, and I absolutely love it. I'm able to harvest, collect all of my veggies, and rinse them all at the same time. It says, you notice the basket. Oh, excuse me. Can't turn it over. Let's see if I can get a vision from back here. Here has the slots in it so the water can drain. Sturdy. It is very sturdy. The handles click in place. And I love that I can rinse my veggies before I take them in the house. All those nasty little bugs that are hanging on. Later this week, I will be out and I will be cleaning up my garden. I will be tearing out a lot of stuff. As you can see, look at that. They just ate that alive. ate it, well, to death rather. So I may go ahead and sow a few more seeds, but I'm going to wait because I'm told that August is the best time to grow squash and zucchini, because by that time the bugs have moved on. I'll show y'all these beautiful jalapenos. Look at that. I keep them on until they turn red. So, lemon basil. It's flowered, but it's oh God, it smells good. Looky. And I just discovered another one over here. I have one over here. Let me see if I can get the camera. Look at that. I'm excited, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed. There's one down here. Last year I started watermelon. Then I just decided not to do it and just pulled it out. But this year I'm very excited, and hopefully they'll keep growing and I don't get the blossom end rot. So I'm going to end the video right here, pretty short one, but I want to thank you all for coming along with me on my adventure. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my next video. With that said, thank you, peace and blessings. Isn't she beautiful? She's looking down, but she's beautiful.